Gigantic. Yeah, man. Please, we'll make some jump and run away. Man select. Well, listen. Sound, kill some sound, kill some sound, kill some sound. Kill some jumping sound. And make me strong, make me strong, make me strong. So I can live long, I can live long to see these little jumping sounds bowing down before Israel begging to have mercy. But Jah command we to love our enemies, bless those that curse us, do good unto those that would hurt us, and they would do mash up men wrong. They would do all manner of evil, even try to hurt, do mash up man all form of wrong. But Jah promised to protect the sound. Jah art a light and thy salvation, no sound we fear. Jah art the keeper of our life, of no sound are we afraid. I lift up mine eyes into the well, whence cometh I help? Cometh from Jah, over on the mountain of Zion. Kill some sound, kill some sound, kill some jumping sound, and I make me strong, make me strong, make me strong, so I can live long to hear. We'll make some jump and run away. Live and direct, but Jah command we to love our enemies, bless those that curse us, do good unto those that would hurt us. Wrong. They would do all manner of evil against, even try to hurt, sound all form of wrong. But Jah promised to protect. Jah art a light in thy salvation, no sound we fear. Jah art the keeper of our lives, of no sound are we afraid. I lift up mine eyes into the well, whence cometh I help? Cometh from Jah, over on the mountain of Zion. So kill some sound, kill some sound, kill some jumping sound,